Hello everyone, today I have made this video only for you. This video is very small but very informative. Today I have written 10 words and these 10 words are very often mispronounced. These words are very common but we often make mistake while making their pronunciation. So today we will talking about how to pronounce these words correctly. So first we talk about the word cupboard. It's not cupboard. We often pronounce it as cupboard. This is not cupboard, this is cupboard. And cupboard is very common. It is there at each and everyone's home. The second word, it looks like colonel. When we look at the spelling, it looks like colonel, but its correct pronunciation is colonel. It's not colonel. The third word is very, it's very common. We often use this word, especially students. They often talk about their career. But while speaking about their career, they often mispronounce it as career. But career is something that carries. No? When we ride our bicycle, we have career just behind, and carry is something that is used to carry, right? This is not career. This is career. The correct pronunciation of this word is career. My career is very bright. His career is very bright, not career. Now the fourth word is a little bit uncommon word, but you can't say completely as uncommon. This word looks like sachet, but the correct pronunciation of this word is sachet. Sachet, you have heard sachet of Clinic Plus, that means pouch. This word is also very common. It has been often heard but very rarely seen. This word is parachute. You must have heard this word. This word is parachute. Now let's move on to the sixth word. When we read this word, this looks like technology, We break this word into many syllables, but it is not so. While you are pronouncing words, you have to be careful about the stress, proper stress and the accent. When you are making its British pronunciation, you have to be careful. You have to know where you have to put the stress. When you read this word, read it like this. Technology. Technology. Now see what's the difference between these two words. Technology. Now it's long word. Technology. I am putting the stress here. Now, like this, there are lots of words used in English. Biology. It is not biology, it's biology. Again, sociology, psychology, there are lots of words which end with L-O-G-Y. So when we pronounce such words, we have to be careful. We have to put a stress here. Biology, psychology, sociology. Now let's move on to the seventh one. This is also very common. This is not plumber. This is plumber. The correct pronunciation of this word is plumber. This is not plumber. Remember this. Now, ninth. Yeah, this is resume, no doubt. But it has two meanings. When you go for the interview, you are often asked for that, your resume, not resume. Resume is your document that contains your all details. No, you must have heard of it. It is not resume, it is resume. When you talk about its official, when you talk about official document that contains your each and everything, then this is resume. This is not resume. The ninth word is, it looks like Nike, but this one is not Nike. It's a brand name. It is Nike. How many of you have used this word like this, Nike? Very few of you. The correct pronunciation of this word is Nike. It is not Nike. Now, 10th. How do you pronounce this word? Possibility, possibility or possibility. Possibility, when you say possibility, you don't know where to put the stress. But when you say possibility, you know exactly where to put the stress. The correct pronunciation of this word is possibility, probability, right? Possibility, probability. Don't pronounce it like this, possibility, probability, right? The correct pronunciation is possibility. So I hope this video was very informative and you learned a lot and will definitely help you. Thanks. Have a nice day.